What's up guys, Steve here, back with Sam Gwilt from Sam Does Design. Today he has got me to do a challenge, a drawing challenge. I'm not the best, but I'm going to give it a go and hopefully we'll learn a few things. There will be a longer version over on Sam's channel, so I'll link that in the description down below. But let's not put it off anymore and get started.
So the challenge that we're going to be doing today is we're going to be sketching these Beats headphones and we're going to be doing it in 3 rounds.
Right, okay.
We've got a 10-minute round, we've got a 5-minute round, and we've got a 1-minute round. And we're going to sketch the same headphones each time, and each one we're going to get quicker and quicker and quicker, and you're going to see the difference between a 10-minute sketch and a 1-minute sketch. So even for me, and this is a disclaimer now,
Okay.
even for me, my sketch isn't going to be very good. So we'll see in 10 minutes how good we can get, and then we'll take it along from there. Off we go. Cool. So if I talk about my process as I'm going through as well, so I'm going to break it down into some shapes. And I've got the ruler tool on here, and I've just put in some guidelines that I can then start to use the ellipse tool, blocking in some shapes.
My pencil's on pad.
Oh, is it? How's it going?
Badly.
What I've done as well, just as you start going along, I've started sketching things on different layers.
Right.
So then now, for example, if I want to just change one air cup, I can go in
And tweak it.
and just sort of tweak it a little bit there.
And how long have you been sketching on your iPad?
So I've been sketching purely on the iPad now for about 2 years.
Right, okay.
Like, almost every day. So I start to know tricks of the trade, how to cheat, how to get things done quicker.
So then when you colour in, do you do that on a separate layer as well?
Yeah, so I'll do all of my colouring on a layer underneath, or actually it gets really messy with layers underneath.
Right. And is there any particular reason you use Sketchbook instead of Procreate, or...?
So I do like to hop between the two. I use Sketchbook because of the ellipse guide,
Right.
and the rulers, but Procreate has more image manipulation, so it has things like levels, curves, adjustments and things like that. So I do hop between the two.
3, 2, 1. I've missed my B.
I struggle with mine as well.
Okay, so there's a bit of a difference. Just a bit of a difference.
You're learning to sketch from an image off to the side, you're learning to sketch the beats, you're learning the new app, you're learning to sketch on the iPad. There's a lot to learn there. And I like that I like the composition of yours.
Wasn't intentional.
It's always intentional. That's what we say at the end. Okay, so I think the 10 minutes one went pretty quick. Went pretty well. Now we're going to go down to 5 minutes, half the amount of time. We've already done a sketch.
But I'm more confident now because I've used it.
Exactly.
Finally.
Yeah. So I have a feeling yours is going to improve, but because I already knew the app and I already knew how to sketch on an iPad, mine's going to get worse.
Okay.
A lot worse. So if we start a timer, we'll hop straight in.
3, 2, 1, go.
I already pressed the wrong button. Headphones they're quite difficult because there's not a lot of straight lines on them. So to be fair, I've picked quite a hard thing to sketch.
Well, thank you. I thought it'd be easier using this ellipse tool.
Is it not? Well,
I'm struggling a bit.
now again you're learning a new tool again.
30 seconds or so. I'm gonna go freehand.
Yep.
Stop.
Wow. Yeah. Do you know what?
It's not great.
But would you
this
say it's worse? Oh,
It's
yeah.
cleaner.
That's-
It's this bit that needs to try and sort out.
Yeah. No. Like you say, it's cleaner. I think yours is better. I think mine's worse. So,
I don't know. It's still pretty good. You can tell what that is.
yeah.
I'm not looking forward to. Was it 1 minute next?
This next one's a 1 minute one. Frantic one.
Right. I am ready to go whenever you are.
Cool.
Let
Yep.
me just get this. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm going to lose followers based on it. No one's going to follow me ever again.
That's it.
That's it.
Look at that. That is ridiculous.
Oh yeah. Wow.
I've got half an ear cup that's kind of...
Yeah.
I think we know who won that.
Well, amazing. No, I think you've done really well. Like I said, learning so many things at the same time, and you've got sketches to prove that you've learnt them.
I still don't know which one's
Top
best.
notch. Yeah.
I think my first one's still the best. Well, that is it for this video. As I mentioned, Sam has got a longer edit of this video over on his channel, so make sure to check it out. I'll link it in the description down below, along with links to his Instagram account, where you can see all of his amazing illustrations. They're worth checking out. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one.